This is an important day in the history of science, because today is the day we discover if you can roast a homemade marshmallow. My kids were asking if we could roast the ones that I just made, and I realized we've that's a that's a guinea knocking on the side of my greenhouse. We moved over here, so we couldn't test it there because the wind kept blowing the matches out. Let's just go with it. Okay, here we go. I've realized I've never actually tried to roast a homemade marshmallow, so let's try it. There we go. It's black.
Look, he's roasting it. It's kind of gray.
Part. Ooh, I almost blew the match out. Part roasting, part burning. You know how you? Well, I like to burn them. Whoa, not hurt me. Okay.
Can I try it?
Okay, and oh, that's better than the ones at the store. I'm not lying to you. It is better. Make them and eat it. My kids didn't believe me that these roasted marshmallows are better than roasted store marshmallows. So we're doing a test.
I got the best one. Okay. Yeah.
So, what kind do you like better? Yeah, go ahead and eat it.
The time that I think it's this one.
It's like normal marshmallow because it's
No.
it's not cooked all the way. It's like the very outside of it.
Bueno.